Wala na nga na po ito nga. May ito na
Good morning, madlang people. Sa Pilipinas. Oh. Sabi ko kay mama.
Mamay.
Ay, wala si mamay. Nakadulong siya sa iyo. Sinanda ko, magpupunta sa school, ay narunod siya. Kita niya. Bukman. Sana ako dalaga na.
Ako kaya ako. Luwal na, mahuli ko naman.
Kanina pa yung mata. Bibi, ayusin na yung. Nainas, ito na sa lati kasi mo?
Boss.
Ito na, sarado pa ada.
Bukas na, kaya nakakatuwa sa kasi.
Oh, maula yun. Kailangan ko, diba? Ano sa rin? Magkaon dyan, ano mo ko, ano. Hi, Tiny. Hi. Tiny, what? Tiny Kwan? Hello, Tiny Shonk girl. Oh my god. Marvin. Oh my god. Hi, Sir Jan. Sir Jan, good morning. Oh my god.
Riley.
I'm so beautiful, Riley. My goodness.
Daganong ko ng sagot ni Riley.
Aray,
Sagot ni Riley.
samad? May span ka. May ano kung sa iyo, ha? Hindi na tuloy. Dinadago. Sakay. Naudlog.
Kami na lang.
Ay, dili, pwede. Makakatulong ko ka mo. Thank you, Sir Jan. Thank you so much. Oh my god. It's so hurry. Toto, paayo man ako, Toto. Thank you, Sir Jan, for joining. So cold. Thank you. I am from Morocco. Okay. You look very happy. I'm happy po, Sir John. How are you, Sir John? How about you? How's your jowa? Are you stay? Are you still talking to this scammer? I'm good and no eye blocker. That's good. Need to block her, surgeon. Waste time, money, effort, everything. If you're happy, I'm happy. Ah, thank you, Sir John. I'm happy po. Hi, Zach Pinoy. Oh, I been Pininola. Well, Bea. I'm not Bea. I'm Sheryl. What? Sir John, this is just a quick live because need to work again. Always late. You just woke, yeah, woke up, then clean a little, then just coffee. Calling me, my name is complex, yeah. Just as I'm getting married soon. Alright. Good luck, honey. I love you. Huh? But you've been so I'm fine. Married? Not yet po, Sir John. Not yet married. Jumbo. Um, I'm fine. Coco Philippines. See you guys. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Jason, Ghost Hunter. Hi there, drop in to say hello from Sydney, Australia. Hi from Sydney, Australia. You guys. Hey, you guys. I want you to be my. Didn't you just see you getting married? Didn't? Yeah, I'm getting married soon. So planning for getting married. I just hoping, planning and hoping. Bye-bye. Hi, Robert, Sir Robert. Madam, I want you to be. No, I have already a partner. I'm from South Sudan. I already have a partner. Sorry. How do I tell you my parents are gay? How you tell your parents are gay? Just to be honest, your parents it already have a feelings that you're a gay, so that's why we're hoping that hope you change your mind, okay? But if you're having they know you, your parents know you. That's why they're hoping that you pretend to not a gay, but they're hoping that you are not a gay. Okay? Your parents know that's why you are really that you really feel that you're a gay. You need to tell your parents, then that you are gay. Hi family. Search me a girl from your country. You know what? It's not easy to find someone for the lifestyle because I don't know you. So if I have a friend, a good friend, to finding someone, I make sure that this man is really good. So not so easy. Not so easy for that. So,
Ano na? Utod. Hindi na nakakahula. Parang nakahula Diana. Gusto mo na?
that's one unhappy pig. Yeah. They're hungry, Sir John.
Hindi na ba uga? Oo. Dito lang ako magkaon. May dito kayo maski uga tapos gulay.
Elizra. Hi. I love your living. Living, not a living. Give me a what's up. No. No what's up. Living, yes, living, not bang. Whatever. I'm not a teacher. I'm not a teacher. Great. Okay. Hindi ko na kaya to. Alright. Thank you. It's a gift. What is that? Rick Goring. Thank you. Thank you for the gift. How you been to Dubai? Never been in Dubai. Never been in the other country. You're welcome. Thank you, Rick Goring. God bless you more. Look at me. Thank you, Sir Rick Goring. I'm alright. Have to go pa. I'm having a haircut today. See you later. Thank you, Sir John. Oh. Thank you, Sir John. God bless po. You're welcome. Thank you, Sir Rick. I'm alright. Bye, Nis. Bye-bye, Nis daw. Bye-bye. Paka kang Sir John.
Bye, ingat.
Take care daw, Sir John. Hi, Ann! Good morning, Ann! Just coffee before going to work. Love ya. Ako rin yan. No politics here. Sorry. I'm having coffee also. Okay. Six days. I'm excited na. I'm excited. 6 days, 4 hours, 14 minutes. bilang niya. Ano? Pati minutes na eh. 6 days, 4 hours, 14 minutes. Binilang pa niyan minutes. Guapa. Hi, Jess! Jess Rocker.
Apply kita sa eskwelahan.
Maano ka mo?
Matulog ko na, kumapit ka, papakot ka.
May ano kami sa ano, may... Dire ka, sa aga na lang ako makapag kay. May ano kami din sa DSWD sa ano. Kakaon liwat alauna. Kwarta liwat yan to. Hey Jess! Hey rockers from love. Saga. Kapag makadali ta.
Hindi kita makabaya.
Kaya, kunwara lang ako ano sa auditorium niyan. Pakakaon pa na.
Dali ko na ano mo.
Nagayunungutan pa ng...
Saga, kay bali ito pa yun.
Oo. Bali, makinukal kita. Kasi mag-uruli na sila.
Ha?
Kasi mag-uruli
Oo,
na
kaya
sila.
ito na si Kuya Hing sa...
Check mo daw si ano yung tala, doon ba gusto niya mag-apply. Kasi yung eskulahan. Doon, bukan siya niyan. Mapasa sa IDO.
Magkuruan na si Magdarara ID.
Dahil mo, tita Intan, sabi niyo tita Gila, magkalit ako no.
Oo, kay Kon...
Kahit gusto mo ko nung magtrabaho sa eskulahan.
Hindi na talaga. Kunin
Ano
mo
yung
yung
naghapon
sleeper
yan?
mo.
Ang bus daw.
But whole day yun. 4 days yun ang sahod eh.
Ay, full class, yun sabi ko nito.
Oo, whole day yun.
Wala.
Nagtrabaho
Wala.
ba tita?
Ano rin?
Ano lang.
Sa eskwelahan. Makuha sa empleyado.
Ay,
Tapos
ano na
bulan-
yun? Empleyado yun talaga.
Oo, whole
Parehas
day.
yun sa tulay.
Oo, dili may para sa tupadanaan. Tulo lang ka oras.
Oo. All day yun. Ano, day man ka mo, ano, Sabado, Domingo.
Ginanada, kay ano yun, doon talaga sa eskwelahan.
Dua ka bulan, kahit pwede mo ano, bagay na bagay
Oo.
halion.
Nano, babae yan, kukuha ano lalaki.
Basta na mag-eskulahan.
Babae, lalaki. Kay mapasa sa form.
Oo.
Pero kasi Inka, si Saira. Sa inyo, Saira. Kasi Inka, hindi mo ito nababasa. Sabihin mo lang.
Ay, habang yada si Mana, yung si Saira. Ay, Kas.
Saira, sabihin mo si Mao.
Cheryl, I want to thank you for letting me be a part of the channel. I've enjoyed getting to know you. I wish you be the best of luck with your future endeavor. Thank you, Jess. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your joining my, being part of my YouTube channel. And I'm thankful to Jess. Thank you so much for the support, Jess. Thank you pa. Aray ko nakaudaw na talaga ako. I need to, hindi ko na kaya. I can't help. Thank you so much. I need to end the live because, get ready to, to work. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Sir Jess Rocker. I really appreciate your... I'm happy that you're being part of my... friend here on YouTube. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye-bye.